This tutorial will walk you through how to make a simple Ladybug drawstring backpack. All you need are some remnants or large scraps of black and red fabric. You can download the free pattern for this by following the link in the description below, and then following along with the step-by-step instructions. To start with, you want to apply interfacing to the wings. Then you want to hem the inner edge of the wings. Next, you want to finish the edges of the dots. I used an overcast stitch to prevent fraying. You can also choose to use felt or some kind of fabric that doesn't fray for the dots instead if you want to skip this step. Next, you want to sew the dots to the wings around the perimeter of the dots. And then you want to baste the wings to the front of the bag around the edges. Line up the wings with the bag front and baste them together around the perimeter. Now you want to sew the tabs. Fold the sides of the tab pieces to the center and then fold them in half. Sew along the length of the two tab pieces. Then fold the tabs in half and baste them to the back of the bag along the bottom. Next, you want to sew the front and back of the bag together with right sides together, and then turn the bag to the right side. All that's left is the casing. Hem the sides of the casings, and then fold them in half. Sew the casings to the top of the bag, and then press them away from the bag. Add the drawstring to the casing. You will need 2 pieces of string about 60 inches long, and they both need to go all the way around through both casings. Then you want to tie each string around the tabs at the bottom that we sew in earlier. And there you have it. You have a finished Ladybug drawstring bag.